Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your Amazon account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search a type of web address option, enter here amazon.com. This will take you to the official web page of your Amazon app. Now tap on sign in option on the top. Here, you can see that since we are trying to create an account, tap on this circle in front of create account new to Amazon option and then enter your first and last name, enter your mobile number or email address suitable for yourself, and then tap on create a password option and then create a new password which must be of minimum 6 characters. Then scroll down and tap on verify email option below. So I need to go to my email address to verify it. Since they've sent us a one-time password, that's OTP, so I'm going to go to my email address and check it. So here on the top you can see a notification by Amazon. Tap on it. So that's the OTP right there. I'm going to tap on it and copy it and then go to the Chrome section again, paste the OTP just like this, and then tap on create to Amazon account below. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully created an Amazon account for yourself by using an email address. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.